Hello people, it's Yazan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. Following this idea, I have brought you an amazing project named as Munch Project. So let's get started. So the first interface looks like this. It's like a eaten donut and it says give back, get back. The fastest growing charity DeFi project, 2.7 million donated within their first month. You can buy it on Uniswap and join their Telegram from clicking here. They are listed on Unicrypt and Dex Tools and CoinGecko and Solidity.finance and CoinMarketCap. They have a video here. Their mission is they are a sustainable and decentralized project that distributes wealth where it needs to be. So they are in media, Cointelegraph, Yahoo, Market Insider, Bitcoinist, and Bitcoin.com. So support causes that you need. 5% of each transaction is automatically sent to a charity picked by the community. 5% by hoodling. 5% of each transaction is distributed to hoodlers for passive income, which is we call rarified static reward or reflection. Trustless donation. All transactions are automated and never held in a company wallet. Stable assets. All donations are converted to Ethereum automatically and at the point of transaction. Munch Billions lottery every Tuesday and Friday community contest, staking reward, NFTs, and giveaways. So they have donated 789.90 ETH. Here is their own chart of it, view donation chart, and this is how to buy. I would show you myself. This is their team. So what does makes a crypto project great? The first thing is best team, and the other thing is good fundamentals and use case. So their roadmap is like this. Roadmap shows what this project have done and what are they going to do next. So all these basic things are done. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, white paper, establish marketing, grow social media and brand, community contest and giveaway, munch millions. First digital advertising campaigns and finance bridge hasn't been done yet. They will register to legal entity, launch several marketing campaigns, list on top 10 crypto exchanges, and new staking rewards, launchpad platform. Nice. Launchpad do good in crypto. Additional exchange listing, Launchpad for social causes, Launchpad for new crypto projects, charity, NFT marketplace, Launchpad for individual causes, accepting crypto payments, donation as a service, automated wallet setup, and partner APIs. This is their gallery of NFTs. Why choose Munch? And here are everything about them. They're so grateful to all members of their community who have supported them, encouraged them, and pushed them to find a new, better name that better reflects the work they do. They hope you're as excited as about the name they've chosen and about the incredible work they know they'll do as they continue learning for justice together. So there are some FAQs, all the socials and everything are mentioned here. Let's have a look at the coin market cap. So this token is up 85.12%. As you can see, the price is super low, and the last 24-hour trading volume is $870,000. The fully diluted market cap is 33.3 million, and max supply is 100 trillion. Here is the graph. We will have a better view in Dex tools. People mainly use Uniswap and 1inch to buy this token. I would show you how to do that. First, you have to come to this interface, connect your wallet, install MetaMask through as an extension for Google Chrome, and go through the setups and load up some ETH to it, and just enter the amounts and click swap and pump your bags with it. So as for the Etherscan report, which shows that 27,395 transfer have been made on 8,059 addresses with a up percentage of 0.471%, and you can see the transfer age here. People are taking a lot of interest in this project. Mainly go to Uniswap v2 liquidity. As for the hoodlers, let's have a look. This 22% are locked in the liquidity. 12% goes to the burn address, which will increase the scarcity in the amount of supply and increase the price floor ultimately. And these other are people's wallets, so it doesn't have that much coin if they sell it, so it will go to rug pull. So it's completely safe. Let's have a look at the Dex tools here to see a better view of graph. So overall, it's showing a bullish graph here, and it has a lot of support levels, as you can see here. A lot of support levels, and it have resistance shown here, and it goes all the way down here, and then it have support over here, and it goes to here. Then it have a little resistance, and directly people supported it, and it's now here So at this time it's shown again our resistance, and it goes all the way here. So now it's again touching the resistance point, so it may cross. If it cross, so it will make a line like this one. So this is the best opportunity to invest in this project and go with it, because as you can see it's against touching the resisting line and making another candle here. So this was all up for the analytics and their website. Let's have a look at their social media. They have a Twitter, a Reddit, a Telegram, a Discord, a YouTube. Yeah, pretty much for that. Their Twitter is named as Munch Project. They have 16.7k followers, and they have 418 tweets. Their last tweet was 9 hours ago. A bullish Sunday for Munch with an exciting week ahead. Yeah, that they are talking right, as you can see here. We are proud to announce the winner of Munch NFT artwork competition. Here are the top three entries that were voted by the community. Nice. So you can follow them on Twitter, and you can also message them here. And they also have a Reddit where you can create posts and people would answer you in comments. You can share your ideas. If you're an Instagram user, you can follow them on Instagram too. They have 2195 followers on Instagram. They have a Discord here which you can join by this invite link and talk to the admins. They have a YouTube channel where they have 399 subscribers and a couple of videos which got views on them. So yeah, this was pretty much for one Munch project, and it looks amazing project, and it's touching its resistance points. And if you want to go with this project, you can buy it on Uniswap. And this was all up for this website and Munch project. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. I will leave the website link of Munch project in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself. Make sure to subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more gems from the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.